Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix log in Roblox. Okay, first things first, open up your Roblox app. And then, what you want to do is to open up any of the games that you want to play. Now that you are in a Roblox game, what you are going to do is to just press the Roblox icon above. And in here, what you want to do to proceed is to press Settings. Look for the graphics tab and decrease your graphics level because the more graphics that you have in your game sacrifices your frames per seconds, which causes your game to sometimes lag. After that, just head back to your game and you should see the significant difference. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix log in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.